So today we are going to discuss one very important topic, that is HTML. So today we are going to discuss various subtopics like the basic introduction to HTML. Next we will discuss about the basic structure of an HTML program. Then how to save and open the HTML program. Then we will also discuss about various tags that can be used in HTML. Then about the different attributes that can be used in combination with the HTML tags. Then about the formatting elements. In the last, we will discuss about the heading levels that can be used in HTML web page code. So let's move to our first slide. It is about the introduction to HTML. So first of all, we must know about the full form of HTML. So what is the exact full form? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This language is being introduced by Sir Tim Berners Lee in 1993. Actually, it is a markup language which is basically used for creation of web page. So, for the designing purpose, we use this HTML language. It is very easy to learn, to understand, to write the code for HTML. One most important thing about the HTML is that it is not a case sensitive language, which means that if we are writing one code in uppercase, another one in the lowercase, it will really doesn't matter for the tags. Then another important thing is that we need not to have any kind of specific software for creating the HTML code. We can simply use the NOTEPAD application or some editors for writing the code for HTML. So this is all about the basic introduction on HTML. So let's move to our second slide. What is the basic structure of HTML program? So we are using various tags under the HTML program, like we can see the code. First is doc type HTML. Doc type HTML means that if we want to mention the version of the HTML, we can simply write the version under this HTML tag. Then HTML, these are double tags. Double tags in the sense that we will have one opening tag, then one closing tag with the backslash. So the two basic and the important parts for the HTML program is head part, then the body part, as we can see over here. So I have given the one line explanation also for these tags, like doc type, it is for the version of HTML. Then HTML, this is the mandatory tag for the creation of HTML code, under which we will further have two basic tags like title to provide the title of the web page, like I have given my web page. It can be anything, simple text. Then body, under the body tag we will have the complete content of the web page with different attributes, different tags, combination of tags, etc. So this is the basic structure of an HTML program. So next we will discuss about how to save the HTML document. There are some simple steps, like for the creation of the HTML document. First we need to create one HTML file, like we will simply open the NOTEPAD application, we will write our code, the simple structure of HTML, then we will simply save the file with the extension .html. We can place this file anywhere. We can create one particular folder under which we will have the combination of files, various HTML documents related to the website there. So the file must have the extension .html. So these are the simple steps for the creation and saving. So the next is how to browse the HTML document in the web browser. We just need to double click the file. It will just simply open in web browser, or we can what we can do is we can open it with some other browsers also according to the requirement, like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, or any other web browser. Let's discuss about some tags in HTML. Tags are the most important part of the HTML program. Without tags, we really cannot create the web page. So what are the tags? These are, we can say, some predefined keywords that are already mentioned to create the web page. So there are two basic like tags, those are available in HTML. The first one is container tags and the second one is empty tags. So as we know that we are having every HTML tag in the brackets. So under this container tags, we will have the double tags. Like one, we will have the opening tag, and the second, it will be closing tag. These container tags are also called as paired tag. So with the start tag and an ending tag. So the next one is the empty tags. Empty tags are called as singular tags. As the name represents, singular tags means that we will not have the ending, like ending tag. It will be just a single tag, like BR. BR is used to break the simple line. Like in the multiple paragraphs, we can give the BR tag. It is about the attributes. So attributes are really important and very useful thing in the HTML. So these work in the combination with the HTML tags. So we can say that they provide us some additional information or effective effect. So let's have one example over here. I have just simply taken the two snapshots. In the first snapshot, I have taken the code. In the second, I have tried to display the content. So I have just given the BG color as blue. In the double quotes, it has to be given. This is the attribute. BG color is equal to blue. Then text is equal to, in the double quotes itself, we need to give the text color, whether white, red, according to the requirement we can give. Then after that, we have displayed one line comment over here. We can have the paragraphs also. So in the body tag, I have used the attribute. So here is the output. The background is blue and the text color is white in color. So this is a simple example just to make you explain and understand the basic attribute. So let's move to the next slide. These are some of the formatting tags. These are really basic tags or elements, we can say. So we are having different like elements like B for bold or strong tag, then italic, underline, mark. Mark is like, it is used to highlight the text with some like yellow color highlighted text. Then del, to deleted text, to display the text as deleted. There will be a line over the text. Then subscript, then superscript. These are various formatting elements that can be used in HTML document. It will be more clear with the help of output. So I have taken the output over here. You can just simply check the code and simultaneously you can check the output for these lines like strong, underline text or mark or everything. So let's move to our next slide. It is about the heading levels. Heading levels are very simple tags but really very useful tags. Without these heading levels, we really cannot create one very effective web page. So the various heading levels we are having in HTML are H1 to H6. So we can say that there are total 6 types of heading levels in HTML, and the most important thing about the heading level is that their size is already predefined. So H1 will have the biggest size, then according to like H2 will have somewhat little text. So we can display it like this is the output. So I have tried to taken all the heading levels like H1 to H6. H1 will have the largest font size, then upon going downwards H2, H3, H4, H6 will have the smallest like font size. So these are the different heading levels, H1 to H6, total 6. So this was all about some basic concepts related to the HTML. So let's move to next slide, in which we are having some multiple choice questions related to the same HTML part that we have discussed today. So the first question is, which formatting element is used to highlight the text? So the various options are given. So what is the correct answer for this question? The correct answer is mark. Mark is used to highlight the text with yellow highlight. So our next question is, which application software can be used to create an HTML document? Means that which software or application we can use to create the HTML code. So we can use any kind of editor like NOTEPAD, etc. So the correct answer over here for this question is option number C, that is NOTEPAD.